Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today is Saturday, 20th of December. Finally, I'm starting to feel better, and today I woke up at 5 a.m. trying to go back to my routine of waking up early and starting my day early, because in the past couple of days I have been waking up at around 7 a.m., 8 a.m., which is okay, which is fine because I'm resting, trying to get as much sleep as I can, especially after traveling in Cebu. Right now, I'm going to start stretching. Okay, today's list to do is to clean the house, do groceries. So we're all gonna do that. I know it's gonna be super busy today in Dumaguete City because of Christmas rush. People are going out buying their gifts, preparing for Christmas. Yeah, so there's a lot of Christmas parties going on also. So I'm done stretching. Now I feel super sleepy. So I need some coffee. So for today's coffee, I'm gonna try my other favorite coffee from Curve. This is one of the best coffee I ever had. So we're gonna have some today. Ah, smells so good. This coffee is so good. Oh my god, look at the bubbles. I think I made a perfect coffee. I love this coffee. A hint of cherry taste. It's so good. Let's have some coffee. Okay, so done with coffee. Now it's time for us to clean this house for the Christmas. So in the Philippines, Filipinos, they clean their houses, like deep clean their houses before the Christmas day. That's how I grew up too. But I always clean my house. I don't wait for Christmas to clean my house. I always clean my house once a week, deep cleaning. So yeah, we're gonna clean this house because I've not been here for like 2 weeks. I think 2 weeks. This house has not been deep clean, so that's what we're gonna do. Add some cupping in my back because I did a ventosa massage the other day. It's fading now, but it's still there. I'm just low-key flexing my back muscles. This is for lunch. So I have eggs and tuna. I made that last night and some rice. Let's eat. So I'm looking for a duvet. I want to upgrade our bed. I want to have a good sleep because it's not comfortable, that bed. So I'm looking for options here in Mandawi foam. I did this one. Dark colors. This one's so nice. Like, it's so aesthetic. I like that color. I really like this one. So maybe I should get this. It's 1,602. We have a double bed. Twin. That's twin, I guess. This one. I think this is the one. Maybe the wisest color would be dark. This color. It's too gloomy though.
Full or queen?
Double.
Double. Ako ni full. Dili queen.
So I choose the white one. It's not practical, but I like the color. Let's look for Christmas decors now. Warm light. I like warm light. Hello, so I'm back home and I've been busy decorating. Last minute decoration. Let me show you. Just a Christmas light. And we have this, a little party thingy. Yay! So yeah, last minute deco. Because we're gonna have party with my friends here in our house. So I bought some food to cook for the 24th night on Christmas Eve. And I bought some Santa hat to wear for pictures and stuff. Yay!